How to cancel or modify reservations on trip.com. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to cancel or modify reservations on trip.com. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video to the end. So the first thing you'll be doing is that you're going to log into your to the trip.com website or to your trip.com account, and once you're done with that, this is the interface you're going to see. Here at the top left corner you see the trip.com logo, and close to it is the search box. In the search box you can type in whatever information that you want to search out on the website and to be displayed right on your screen. Okay, so at the top right corner you see the help option, you see the USD, which stands for currency, you see my booking icon, you see the info icon also, and you also see several other options, several other things on the page. You can scroll down the page, you see your destination. If you want to click on destination, if you want to get your destination or whatever thing you want to do at all, you can just scroll down the home page. You see several advertisements on the home page. You see several hotels with their prices attached to them, so you can just just scroll down the page to have an overview of what trip.com is all about. So trip.com is just basically about aircraft trips. So if you want to travel by air, you can use trip.com because it renders a stress-free service regarding traveling by air. Okay, so now back to the question, how to cancel and modify reservations on trip.com. So now to do this, you would know that you have to have a reservation already. So now what you have to do is you check the top right corner of your screen. Just after the USD we have my bookings, so you click on my bookings. So it's under your bookings that you're going to see several reservations that you've made already. So since you want to know how to cancel or modify reservations, just click on that icon, that my bookings, and whatever booking you have or reservation that you have be displayed right on your screen. So you can see here that I have a reservation. Okay, so if you want to modify it, whatever anything you want to do on it, you can just click on it and change it. Okay, so once you're done with that, but if you want to delete it, you can as well delete it. So just click on it. Once you've clicked on it, the details of the reservation will be displayed right on your screen. Then whatever modification that you want to do, you can go ahead and do it. But if you want to delete it, just have a long press on it. Okay, so now to delete the reservation, you see the option, the icon to cancel booking just before the icon pay. Okay, so you have, if you want to delete it or you want to cancel it, you simply click on cancel reservation. Okay, so here I've not made payment. Make sure that you've not made payment, because there are some hotels or there are some reservations that if you make them and you've paid for them, your money will not be refunded back to you. So there are some non-refundable reservations. So make sure that you when making reservations, you you careful. Okay, so now you click on the cancel booking icon to cancel your booking, and your booking a drop down will be displayed on your screen to ask you why you want it to be cancelled. So there are several options, and this question is to help them improve on the services. Okay, so just click on, there are several options like my travel plan has changed, booked the wrong date or destination. So just make sure you go through the particular option or the particular answer to your question, telling them why you want to cancel the booking. So once you've seen the one that suits or that is related to you, the reason why you want to cancel the booking, click on it and go down to the lower part of the screen, the right side, where you're going to see submit, the submit icon. Click on the submit icon, then you wait for it to load. So now a drop down will be displayed on your screen telling you that your booking has been cancelled successfully. So this is basically how to cancel or modify reservations on trip.com. Thank you.